Okay, folks, let's try this first guided meditation. It's designed to give you beliefs about learning so that when you're studying, you'll have a lot less resistance, that things will come a lot more easily to you. You won't be tripping over your own feet. This first meditation is designed to cultivate within you a sense of empowerment towards learning. The language is not that of logic. It is poetic, symbolic, and rhythmic. It is the language of the deep psyche, not the rational mind. The attitude is one of depth, gratitude, curiosity, and delight. Be effortless. Let yourself absorb the thoughts. Allow the thoughts to work into your being. Be effortless during meditation. Effortless between meditations. And effortless while studying, at least in terms of the work being done by the meditation. There is nothing for you to do other than to let it happen. And it will happen. Let's get into a meditative state now. We will take in 3 deep breaths, breathing more deeply into the body each time. Sit up with your back straight yet relaxed. Breathe in through the nostrils. Imagine the air coming down into your abdomen and filling up your rib cage. Hold briefly and sigh out through the mouth, releasing all tension. Another breath in through the nostrils. Imagine the breath filling your entire body, all the way down to your toes and your fingertips. Release through the mouth. Now bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Now bring it to your face, your cheeks, chin. Bring your awareness to your neck and shoulders, to your chest, abdomen, to your thighs, to your shins, to your feet. And take in one more deep breath through your nostrils. Imagine the air filling not just your body, but the space near your body. Hold briefly. Sigh through your mouth. My mind lights up when I am learning. I am so curious about the physical world. I am a deep, intuitive understanding of the physical world. I appreciate and am grateful for the inner voices that say, I can't. For they are what enable me to cultivate my inner strength. I delight in the curiosity, clarity, and discipline that studying cultivates in me. I am the organization of ideas. I feel alert, curious, empowered, and delighted when I study. My learnings sink deeply into me and become part of who I am. I learn deeply, flexibly, robustly. I can express my being with my concepts. I am the expression of scientific ideas. My breath connects me and helps me to absorb and integrate all the ideas. Remembering is as easy as tuning in. All ideas are within my reach, at my fingertips, within me. I am able to tune in to what is essential. I am able to tune in to solutions with confidence. Every learning gives me new and improved tools with which to do more and more. Improvement begets improvement, begets improvement, begets improvement. I am understanding. I am that I am.